about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The stone wall village in Miaoli was built to resist attacks from the outside, but sadly, today there's only about 10 meters remaining of the wall. Aside from the old stone wall, the village is well known for its delicious jujube. In 1875, a jujube tree was bestowed to a resident of the village as a gift, and slowly, jujube trees began popping up in the town, eventually making Gongguan Township the first and only place in Taiwan to produce jujube. Every July and August, ripe and juicy jujube are harvested, and visitors can join the pick or try delicious related products.
Hey everyone, it's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是bingo Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And you know, I think Leo this month is taking us to his home county. 就是到你的故乡去，就是苗栗县啊。
对，苗栗县就是我的故乡。
故乡 that's a hometown. 但苗栗太大了，苗栗哪里？
我们来去沙抢村。
沙抢村 Okay, it's a village, obviously. 就是一个村，是什么村？
石墙村。
石墙村这边都是用石墙去把它围住的地方吗？
以前是，
不会啊，
但是呢，现在没有了。
哦，
你只能看到大概10公尺的一个，重现当年的一个样子的一段石墙而已。
Interesting. I was just asking him because we're going to a village known as the Stone Wall Village. And I said, is it well known because they have a lot of stone walls? Yes, but not anymore. There's only about 10 meters left of it. 那既然石墙只剩下10公尺了，这样不够看头啦，那还可以看什么呢？
哎呦，要有看头的东西，当然有啦，那就是我们的凤奏酥，很多。
酥，这是什么东西？
就红枣树啊。
哦，红枣啊，红枣，你知道英文叫什么吗？
我不知道。
Jujube。
哎呦 ，jujube 好可爱哟。
Jujube, yeah. Very well known for the jujube trees, and a lot of people grow that there. When you go to this stone wall village, 那就是到处可以看到有红枣，摘下来吃了哈。
我不知道可不可以现场摘啦，因为对，那是别人种的果树。但是呢，那里面有很多跟红枣相关的一些产业啊，或者是食物。
So not only they grow a lot of jujube, but a lot of jujube-related products are made from this township as well, and you can go purchase them like a gift and bring back to your friends and family. 所以等于这边的伴手礼就一定要来买红枣相关的东西了。
对啊。
Let's review some of these vocabularies, such as the Stone Wall Village, 就是石墙村。
沙抢村，
沙抢村。然后我们刚刚讲的红枣呢？
凤奏
or jujube. So when you got time, go check out this delicious fruit that is well known over there. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.